Hello and welcome back to AB Tutor Tips. When you've got all your computers showing in AB Tutor, it can be tricky to tell which user is using which computer, especially if you're not familiar with the room you're working in. To make this easier, you can display your clients in the thumbnail view and arrange them to reflect the layout of your room. Not only this, you can also set a map of the room as the background to make it even more obvious. To get this set up, first design your background in another application. This should be saved as a PNG or a JPEG. The map will be displayed at 100% scale, so make sure it's drawn the right size for the AB Tutor window you're using it in. If you want, you can take a screenshot of the AB Tutor window to use as a guide and crop it afterwards. Back in AB Tutor, select the group you want to set up the map for, and then select Thumbnail View, and click the orange Edit icon to go into Edit mode. You can now click the Mountain icon to select the background for this group. You will be prompted for how you want to save your layout changes. User settings will only affect the current user, but if you're an admin, you can choose to set this as a global default for all users, or as a global override, which means that other users won't be able to change the settings for themselves. Next, use the slider at the bottom of the thumbnail view to set the thumbnails to a sensible size for your background. If you've got a map of a room, you'll need the computers to fit in the right places so you can tell which is which. You can then arrange them by dragging them around on the screen. Once you've finished arranging them to your satisfaction, you can tweak the thumbnail sizes if you want, and finally click the orange Edit button again to save your layout and lock the computers in place. In the thumbnail view, you can use the green button to choose whether the information about a device, showing the computer name, username, running applications and policies, is displayed all the time under the thumbnail view, or whether it pops up when you select or mouse over the device. The former uses more screen space, but it does give more information. This feature should make it much easier to keep track of who is using which computer. However, if you have any questions about this or any other feature, please let us know by emailing support@abtutor.com. Thanks for watching.